your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Jonna actually went back with Nanok now because I got stuck in this. And what I'm doing now is that I'm filming drone scenes of the ice, the surface of the ice, because it is, oops, so beautiful. No, the battery's low. This sound is always making me so scared. Oh, this is so beautiful. Do you see this? I just have to film some more because it's getting dark so quick now that... Oh my god, this scene! Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
All your life you've tried to be a good man inside.
Alright, enough drone filming for today. It's getting too dark anyway, so the quality is getting bad on the drone films. This time of the year is a challenge for a photographer or filmmaker. I guess all of you photographers or filmmakers living in the north know what I'm talking about. This time of the year when you only have a few hours every day to capture things. So my idea with these drone films of the ice is that I was thinking about uploading a 1 hour or 2 hour, soundtrack on YouTube with the ice. And I wanted not only to have a black screen, it would be really nice to have, beautiful sceneries of the ice, of the cracks of the ice that actually make these sounds. I just really like the idea of listening to these sounds and know that every crack you see on the ice have made a beautiful sound. Well, actually I have no idea how my slow internet is gonna upload like in 1 hour, 2 hour long video. I struggle a lot. Even when I upload only a 15 minutes long video blog, it takes me like 3-4 hours. And sometimes it just gets stuck. I guess slow internet is the bad thing about living out here, but actually we're gonna get fiber soon. I don't know if you say fiber in English, but fiber internet. We were supposed to have it already, but they are too late, so we're gonna get it in the spring now. I can't wait. I'm gonna go back home now, and I see you there in a minute. Hello there. Right now I have my computer at the kitchen table. So the last almost 2 weeks I've been working from here. If you wonder why, that's because it was super cold here for almost 2 weeks, and it was a little bit too cold to sit out there in the kiosken, as I call it, the little candy store. But I have to bring another radiator there now. I need 2 radiators to keep it heat when it's really cold. I guess it's not isolated very well. Another radiator and I will fix that. I'm actually gonna go out there now to clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back with my computer there. Since now it's much warmer. It looks ugly as hell, but I forgot to mention, for those of you who don't know why I call it the candy store, it's because it was a candy store back in the days. A little candy store in a dog yard. So first I'm gonna clean up a little bit here because it's a bit messy. I want it to be clean and fresh. A new start, especially now when it's Advent, I don't know how you say. I would like to make it a bit cozy. Maybe a little bit of Christmas feeling in here. Lack of daylight is stressing me out so much right now. It's only 2:30 in the day, but it's already getting so dark. I mean, this is nothing new to me because every winter it's the same. In November and December it's really dark, but when it comes to photography it's so much easier because you can always take photos in the darkness. But it's so much harder to record films in the darkness. the videos gets really bad quality, but there's nothing I can do about it. I hope you will stay with me here on the vlogs during these 2 months. It's gonna be better after that. 2 months to go. Hey Nanook! Happy first advent, Johan. I don't know, do you celebrate first advent or advent in other countries? Of course, if you celebrate Christmas, but I'm not sure if I've heard advent before in English. Every Sunday before Christmas in December you light a candle and it's like the first advent. That's when you start with the Christmas
decoration.
Yeah, that's when you start with the Christmas decoration, and I just don't have any Christmas feeling right now at all. Johan, do you have any Christmas feeling?
No.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Sometimes I just feel like I hate Christmas.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring.
Whoa, look at this! So smooth. Good work, Nana. Yeah, good work.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
Hey! Now I'm in my studio again, and it feels so nice to be back here and not to have my computer at the kitchen table as I've had the last 2 weeks or something. And I've cleaned up in here, and that was really needed. So this Sunday was a bit boring. I felt so uninspired in a way and, you know, just a bit down. But I've tried to do the best of this day anyway. You know, when I scroll through Instagram now on the 1st of Advent or just look at YouTube, all these coziness that it looks like everybody has. I know not everybody has that. And this is, I guess, the typical problem with social media, that you see so much of what everyone else does. And sometimes you just feel like your life sucks. I mean, it's not that serious, but you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. During December, I always have so much to do, so I never can be, I never really can be that person I wish I could be, you know, the one who bakes cakes and prepare the Christmas presents with really cute paper, and the one that, you know, make it really beautiful at home and to make it smell like Christmas. And I mean, during Christmas it's total opposite. It's never as messy as it is in our house when it's Christmas. And actually I just hate the pressure about, you know, traditions. In some way I hate Christmas, and in some way I love it. I love the feeling that it can give, you know, the light and the darkness and the coziness, but I hate the pressure about everything. I hate to feel this way, that, oh, I should do that, I should bake cakes, I should be like that. I shouldn't be anything. Nobody should. We should just do what we feel like. I'm not gonna do any more Christmas decoration than I did today. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and that's fine. So it feels much better now. I've been reading through your comments again, and I'm gonna continue because there are lots of more to read. And I just want to say once again, thank you. Like on my last vlog, and I have over 1,000 comments from you, and like 99.9% is just pure love. You have no idea how much you inspire me. I'm speechless again. I know I've been talking about this a few times now, but I just have to mention it, that I mean, this is so inspiring, what you do, what you write, that you take your time to write your feelings and your thoughts, and it's just beautiful. I thought I would just quickly answer some comments, some questions that you give me. So if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section. I will try to see it so I can answer in the next video. It's really fun actually to answer questions. I haven't done that too much. Katrina asks, will you be releasing a video of the singing ice? I would love to hear it. Yes, I will. As I told you before, I'm working on it, so hopefully this week or next week I will be releasing a video of the singing ice. And Wojtek asks, what equipment do you use for the sound recordings? I use this one. It's a hand recorder called Zoom H6, and it's really good. Well, I've never had anyone else, so I don't know, but this is the one I use. I also use this for when I record, you know, my singing and everything. I use it to record nature sounds or whatever, or the ice sounds. It's really good. So this is a question I get so often. EH asks, love your dog. What breed or mix is Nanook? Well, this is definitely one of the most frequently asked questions ever. So Nanook is a mix of Labrador, Golden Retriever and Flat-Coated Retriever. So he's a retriever mix, I usually say. So his mother is a Labrador and his father is a mix of Golden Retriever and Flat-Coated Retriever. And now this is also a very popular question that I've seen many of you asked recently. Misaki says, hey Jonna, what drone are you using? I was actually thinking about making a video with all my camera equipment, but I haven't had time to do that yet, so I would just answer this question. And I use a Mavic Pro. I've had it for like 1.5 years. It's not the best one, but I'm really happy with it. I think the camera quality is really good, and the best thing of all is that it's really small. You can just carry it in a little bag, and that's perfect since I always carry so much camera equipment. So it's really good. I'm Mavic Pro. Oh, and also I got this comment that really touched my heart. It was written by Asya about 3 weeks ago on an earlier vlog, and she says, I think every night and morning I have no reason to live. I struggle with depression for years now. Your videos give me passion. They take my negativity for 10 minutes. I can put into words how much I feel my heart and soul close to yours. If I will be alive at my 20s, I want to visit you. If you accept me, I want to thank you by face to face. Asya, I don't know if I say your name right, but you better stay alive, because I want to meet you here one day and I want to give you the biggest hug you ever got. Is that a deal? Good. Mwah. Thank you. Okay, again, thank you so much everyone for writing to me. It really means a lot. Now I gotta go to Boa, you know, the store that we rented. I'm gonna go there and sign and pack some prints with my mom tonight. So yeah, better get going. What are you working on now?
Rimfrost.
Rimfrost rings. Alright, I go to Boa now. I see you soon. Bye bye, Nanook. I see you soon. I'm on my way home now. We've been here for a couple of hours packing some prints. It's like 1 in the night now, I think. So it's gonna be nice to come home and get some sleep. Hey Nanook! Hey! Hey! So you are awake, mister? What have you been doing?
A lot of jewelry.
Yeah, that's nice. Do you think we should take a shower and go to sleep? Yeah, tomorrow it's Monday. Ouch! Aj, luktar bränt fläsk. I burned myself on this candle. Now some night food. That's the best. You haven't been so much in this vlog. You have just turned up now and then, and now you look like a little angel with a halo. Every time I end a vlog, I feel like this vlog is gonna be so shitty.
Every time.
Yeah, because before I've edited, right now it feels like, what the hell have I recorded? It's gonna be such a bad vlog.
No.
I hope not, but if it was really bad, hopefully next will be better. Alright, thank you so much for following me around this Sunday, and I see you next week. Or I mean, I see you, tomorrow is a new week, so I see you in a few days. Goodbye everybody, mwah. Sending you lots of love.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching.